promise to always stand by your side, to support and cherish you. Promise to remind you daily of how much you're loved and appreciated. Thank you for being my best friend and my greatest challenge. Just pray that we never lose sight of how strong our love is. And I just know that I got you. You got me always through it all.
Ashley, on a special day, I want you to remember is as keeping that fire lit. I grew up always trying to teach myself to have that fire. Don't let nothing pull me down. And now, I'm depending on you to be there along with me to keep that fire lit. I love you every day. I show you more than I tell you. You mean everything in the world to me.
I was live longer so I see you guys get married.
If I could take away your sorrow, I would cast it to the wind. If I could say it's okay, you would never cry again. If I could wave my hand, I'd wave away your fears. You would never have to worry as long as I am near. If I could take my breath, I would paint a perfect day. If I could muster all my creativity, I would say the perfect phrase. The words that I would say will only go so far. They're just ordinary words from an ordinary heart, just an ordinary love from an ordinary guy. But I know someone who's greater. I know someone who loves you more than I. If I had my way, I would ride through the night like a prince in shining armor. I would love to save the fight, and I would love to be a hero who never ever falls. I would be the one to rescue you. I would be the one you call. But there is one who is much more than I can be. And if you put your faith in him, you would have security. The words that I would say will only go so far. They're just ordinary ordinary from an ordinary heart. Just an ordinary.
SALESI and Ashley, by the authority and power vested in me as an elder of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, I pronounce you, SALESI HOPOIS and Ashley HOPOIS, as husband and wife, lawfully and legally, until the ends of your mortal life. May you now kiss each other, the first time as husband and wife.
I may wipe your tears when you start to cry, but I know someone who loves you more than I. Oh, I love you with all of my heart. It will only go so far. He will love you whether you're right or wrong.
help me write this book of love only for you. Nothing ever come between us. You're the only one who shaped this broken heart. Girl, you got me longing for your gentle touch. Like the saying goes, baby, shower me with your love. You're the ray of light to my darkest days. My one offer angata ahine. I love you for life, 'cause everything is alright. Not a worry inside when I'm with you, baby. The mood is right, fire burning between us. I love you for life, 'cause everything is alright. Not a worry inside when I'm with you, baby. The mood is right, fire burning between us. I love you for life. Everything is alright. I love your touch, your kisses, your warm embrace. The way you love me, I can feel it in every way. You are so special to me, my pride and joy, my everything. And like the saying goes, baby, shower me with your love. Ahine ofa anga, you're my guiding light. Together we'll shine, burning ever so bright. I love you for life, 'cause everything is alright. Not a worry inside when I'm with you, baby. The mood is bright, fire burning between us. I love you for life, 'cause everything is alright. Not a worry inside when I'm with you, baby. The mood is bright, fire burning between us.
Soon as you step up on the scene, baby, my only wish is just to have you wrapped up. Give you the love and the affection that a man provides. Whether I'm with or without you, baby, you're my reason why.
Oh, I cannot comprehend the way I feel about you. Every day I want you to know that my love is true. Ta'ahine ofa my del vale. Pour your love on me, honey.
And like the saying goes, baby, shower me with your love.
You're my queen, you bring out the best in me, yeah. And I will love you till eternity.
I love you for life,
'cause everything is alright. Everything is
not
alright.
a worry inside when I'm with you, baby.
The mood is bright, fire burning between us. I love you for life. I love you for life, 'cause everything is alright.
LBC. I put it down for a place called Queens. You know I represent the 213. I hold it down for the big city.
I keep it gangster for all my young G's.
All the PYTs with their own car keys.
I put it down for all the
ladies.
My next all about you. Yeah, skinny back.
It's all about you.
Alibaba, Gilly J, Lucy Pearl, all over the world.
It's all about you.
We gon' dance to this one for sure. I tried to look the other way, but then you passed me by. I saw you holding Q-tips hand, and girl, I just fit you to a T. But I just wish that you were sitting right next to me. I wonder what was on God's mind the day that He made you. I know He wrote a new commandment after He was through. But every time I see you, I find something new. But I just gotta have you. I really want you. I just gotta have you. I really want you. I just got to have you. Me and nephew Snoop was eating at the serving spoon, and my partner Skinny Back was sitting with us too. And all of a sudden, your body was inside. I couldn't finish breakfast. Now something just ain't right. Now Snoop is looking like, what the hell is wrong with you? I said, I know you understand, you've been through a few, but this one was special, a special